Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from Fluent in San Francisco. I'm here with Jon Rooney on the show floor. Jon, how you doing?
Great. How are you, Mike?
I'm doing well. So how has this conference been for you this year?
This conference has been really great. We're really starting to get the message out to developers that Splunk is a platform for big data. It's a platform that people can build applications on, utilizing big data, large amounts of machine data, using the languages, tools, and frameworks that they know and love, which is really a new story.
So when you say platform, what do you actually mean? Do you mean everything, or is it a middleware piece, or what is it?
Yeah, so Splunk is a general purpose data store that allows you to do correlation, statistical analysis, searching, visualization of all different types of data from different sources. And so we have a platform, a REST API with almost 200 endpoints that sits on top of that, as well as language-specific SDKs in Java, JavaScript, Python, C#, Ruby, to allow developers to customize and extend those core capabilities of searching and visualization, and kind of use their own imagination and use their own abilities to build that out.
So what kind of companies and startups would use Splunk out of the box, so to speak?
So we have all different types of companies all from sort of Fortune 50 to very small startups here in the Valley and elsewhere around the world that are using Splunk for everything from sort of monitoring and managing their production systems, their IT systems, a lot of security use cases, PCI compliance, application management, all the way to building custom interfaces and integrating data from Splunk into their own applications or other applications and presenting that to their customers. So we really run the gamut. That's why we like to think of ourselves as a platform.
And so where are you guys going to take this platform in the future?
We're going to keep trying to bring it to more and more developers, make it more useful for folks. Our corporate mission is to take the world's machine data and make it useful for everybody. And I think our progress to date has really been focused on sort of the IT department, which has been great, and how do we let other folks in the organization, other roles with other skill sets, make the most out of Splunk and really be able to act on that data. And we think developers are really the key to that, because they'll be able to build applications, do integration, sort of move that data, move that intelligence around the organization.
Yeah, one of the things I'd like to see with the Internet of Things and wearables and all that is someone figuring out like a virtual bump.
Yeah.
Like all the different devices you wear, so you have a Google Glass on and it has a MAC address or an address in it, and it would be really cool to have a virtual bump and to be able to mash that up in real time.
Yeah.
So that if you're at a conference, you could see the other people that you might have met in the past. Is that something that Splunk could sit somewhere in that stack?
Yeah, I think that's part of the special sauce of Splunk, is that you can send it data in really any type of from anywhere, that any type of evented data. So you can take data off of a router, data from a Twitter feed, and data from a custom application log, put it all in one place, and you can do real-time searching against it. So it's that idea of being able to mash up and correlate and do some cool visualizations based on very disparate data sources.
Cool. Well, I hope we see you at, I think you go to our Velocity and our Strata as well.
Yeah, we'll be at Velocity in a few weeks. It'll be great.
Yeah, excellent. Well, we'll see you there.
Thank you very much,
Jon.
Mike.